The dwell rule is used to detect objects lagging or tiring in a region of interest. An object is dwelling if it is mostly stationary, for example, a parked car. To enable this, log in to the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the Web User Interface and select Event and Actions. Select Analytics, then select the AI Object Classification tab. Select the Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable AI Object Classification on the camera itself. You do have the option to select the Highlight Detections checkbox to create a visual representation within the camera view. Next, select New Rule and type a rule name for your rule definition in the field provided. Select Default Action from the Action drop-down menu. This full action is activated when the parameters of the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu, and select the object type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Use the drawing tools to the right-hand side to select the region of interest from the camera view. And use the overlap slider to increase or decrease the amount of a detected object that must dwell within the region of interest for an alarm to trigger. Next, use the minimum confidence slider to increase or decrease the percentage of confidence at which the rule will be triggered per object class. The dwell time in seconds is used to specify the minimum amount of time that an object must dwell within the region of interest before the alarm is triggered. Once the rule definitions have been set, select Save to save your changes. And here you can see that our new rule for dwell has been saved to our camera GUI.